Hello people of the internet, my name is Killer Chief 112 and I'm bringing you guys today a white noise video. Sadly I won't be doing online, I'll do be doing this single player, so let's get to it. Alright, let's start up a game. Difficulty, normal, hard, and nightmare. Let's see. Bunker 51. I'll be Fred. Okay, let's see. Flashlight is run. X is flashlight. And A is pickup. So this is sort of like Slenderman the game. Oh, what the? No. What the hell is happening? What the hell is happening? What the hell just happened? What the hell just happened? Oh, did I just like get attacked or something? I don't know what the hell happened at all. Okay, let's see. Oh, a green dildo. Okay, it's a no zone. Let's see. Whoa, that was lag. I imagine that we're not going to find anything quick, so let's just keep going. This is why I like being in a closed area. So let's see. We can't cross the river. Have a listen. Oh, sanctuary. Ooh, there's a recorder right here. What the hell is it? Damn you. Found it, yes. We have a first recording.
A place where a lot of people should have been killed.
Ooh, there's sticks up here.
But there's no single trace of blood.
Retarded teenagers in movies say, let's go check it out instead of staying in a safe place. Never mind, those are bad. Oh shit. Holy shit. Oh, ho, ho. I almost broke my mic. Holy crap. Green dildo. Whoa. Did you guys see that? Holy shit. Stay away. Can I cross here, please? No. Yes. Okay, I'm going towards the green dildo. Safely. With that tall guy over there. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. No. Stay fuck away from me. Okay, let's keep going. I swear, if I only make it with one freaking recording, that is so sad. Okay, keep going straight, going. I'm ready to not die. Oh shit! Oh shit. Crap. I hear voices. I see dead people. No. Ooh, rocks. I'm gonna run. Turn off my flashlight, trying to get punched. Around, okay, I've reached my hand, and I'm in a freaking river. Okay, river. Oh shit. No. Okay, let's go. Don't face back, bro. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, another green dildo. Oh. Like a kid says, stranger danger. I was just here a couple minutes ago. What are these? Female with dog legs? Well, he's supposed to be.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Okay, that was sad. One recorder found. Time 4 minutes and 31 seconds. I suck. In memory of Fred. Okay, distance walked 445. I am Screams 3 and my replay. I do not want to watch that. So once again, guys, please leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe for more daily content. Thank you.